Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to reprogram a wireless remote control to your motherboard. As you can see here, we've got a motherboard from a single reel sprayer, a motherboard from a dual reel sprayer, and our wireless remote control. This here is what Quik Corp refers to as the dip switch. Now, as you can see, there's one on the single reel motherboard, there are two on the dual, and one within the remote control receiver itself. Please note that in the dual reel system, the left reel is controlled by the bottom dip switch and the top is controlled by the right dip switch. It is also important to note that position 12 on the dip switches always remains in the off position. Now, to reprogram a wireless remote control to any one of these, it's important that the configuration on the dip switch matches the configuration on the dip switch of the motherboard. Please also note that if you have a dual reel system, it is important to not have the dip switch configuration on both the motherboard and the wireless remote control too close together, as this can cause interference with the remote controls working for the individual reels. So again, if you're connecting a new remote control, the configuration of the dip switch of the remote control should match the configuration of the dip switch on either your single reel or your dual reel motherboard. And of course, if you have any issues doing this, feel free to reach out to our service team. Thanks for listening.